Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Peace Diaries. If this is your first time of seeing this channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this health enriching smoothie. If you're looking for ways to eat fruits but you don't like chewing, then smoothie is for you. If you want to live healthy, if your goal for 2025 is to live a healthy life by taking smoothie, then this video is for you. Sit back, relax, and watch. Looking for a delicious and healthy smoothie? Try this refreshing banana and carrot smoothie, packed with vitamins, fiber, and natural sweetness. It's the perfect way to start your day or enjoy a nutritious boost anytime. To make this smoothie, you will need ripe banana, carrots, milk, honey, which is optional, and ice, optional too. Dice your carrot into smaller chunk and your banana into smaller chunk, and then you put it inside the blender. Then you pour the quantity of milk that you want. Then you simply blend all the ingredients together until it is smooth and creamy. You pour into a glass, sip, and enjoy the natural goodness. This smoothie is not only tasty, but also great for digestion, good for glowing skin, and boosts your energy. Give it a try, my people, and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more healthy recipes. See you in my next video. Bye bye.